The human ear. Our ear are one of our most important sense organs. Many principles of physics are involved in working. Figure shows the main parts of human ear. The structure of the human ear can be divided into three parts: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. Outer ear. The outer ear consists of the pinna and the ear canal. Pinna is a part which is visible from the outside. Also visible is the opening of the ear canal, which is about 2 centimeter long. The function of the outer ear is to guide sound waves to the middle ear. Middle ear. The middle ear is separated from the ear canal by tightly stretched membrane called the eardrum. Beyond it lies three interconnected bones called the hammer, anvil, and stirrup. The function of middle ear is to pick up, amplify, and transmit sound waves to the inner ear. Inner ear. The inner ear consists of a liquid filled coiled tube called cochlea, which is shaped like a snail. This tube is connected to the stirrup. The cochlea has special sensory cell called hair cells, which are so called because of the hair-like structures that stick out of them. The hair cells are connected to the auditory nerve, which is connected to the brain. You know that the vibrating source of sound set up compression and rarefaction in air. When these reach the outer ear, they are guided into the ear canal. As the air near the eardrum is compressed, it pushed the eardrum inward, and as it gets rarefied, the eardrum moves outward. In this way, eardrum starts vibrating. A vibration of eardrum makes each of the interconnected bones, the hammer, anvil, and stirrup, to vibrate. These interconnected bones act like levers which increase the displacement during the moment of vibration. So the displacement of the stirrup becomes many times that of the eardrum. In this way, the amplitude of the vibrations get amplified as the vibrations reach the stirrup. The stirrup, which is connected to the cochlea, shut up compression and rarefaction, pulses in the fluid in the cochlea. These pulses cause the hair-like structure in the cochlea to the move. This creates electrical signal which are sent to the brain through the auditory nerves. The brain intercepts these signals to give us the sensation of hearing sound.